Hello, everyone. Welcome to Celebrity Spaces. Welcome to this talk. Have you ever wondered what it means to wear a spacesuit to work, especially when you aren't an astronaut? Well, I'll tell you right now. I work as a technician in archaeology. I look after labs, organize them, and get involved in some pretty exciting research, the practical bits for which I facilitate. For this talk, I thought I would just try and summarize what it means to be a technician at the Department of Archaeology. I get involved in a lot of different projects, so it's a bit hard to pick a particular topic. So I'm based in BioArCh, which is this research center that we have here on campus, based in Environment Building. We work on different archaeological materials. We study bones, pots, teeth, of both animal and humans, got plants as well, and much more. And from this, we can study diet, migration, disease of both animals and humans, and other topics. So my area of work is ancient DNA and also ancient proteins. Everyone always gets excited about the ancient DNA side of things. So what does it mean to work with ancient DNA? Basically, it's the same DNA as you and I have. It's just degraded and it's old and it's really fragile. It's the DNA that we find in archaeological specimens. So we can extract DNA from pretty much anything and everything. Bones, teeth, plants, seeds, soil, even poop. And everyone also always asks about dinosaurs. Well, theoretically, yes. Theoretically. But paleogenomics, which is just another fancy word for ancient DNA, it's a field that can be used to answer a range of research questions, including kinship between individuals, so we can see whether individuals were related and how. We can look at presence of plants and animals in archaeological record. We can try to identify species from fragments of bones. We can look at domestication processes and, of course, evolutionary histories of humans, animals, plants. In recent years, we have investigated human populations from across the world, and we looked at domestication of dogs, maize, grapevine, sunflower. Our projects also frequently involve some sort of experimental component where we try to either improve existing methodologies or maybe we're coming up with a novel method or trying to test a novel substrates or new materials. We could be looking at this grape seed, trying to see whether it was used in wine production thousands of years ago, or we could try to determine whether this bit of soil contains ancient DNA and what can we do with this information. And the main cool bit is that I, as a technician, get to participate in a lot of these projects and I get to facilitate a lot of them happening. So, why do I get to wear the spacesuit to work then? It's simple, really. We just don't want the precious ancient samples to be contaminated with our modern DNA from our skin, hair, or anything else, so we got to protect it. I hope you found this interesting. This was just a little insight into my life as a technician in archaeology, and I will be happy to answer any questions in the break. Thank you.